Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special reading book tutorial I brought from the library. From Gold, what you want to do is, so I'm going to read it. Okay. You open to the tile page and follow the tile. You open that up and click on say, let's click right there. When you notice that is a special one. Put in there. And then, about that, here we go, Lola. And about something you notice about things. A motorcycle, and you're done. Let's read it, shall we? My friends have happily got into a happily ever after. What friends have they got today? So anyway. Mer. Mimi mo, mamãe. Me, mamãe.